Third.
So weak.
They're third on my list.
No, they should be first.
I mean, so I got Harry Potter, Cars, Pirates of the Caribbean, Shrek,
What? That might be the worst one.
and then Toy Story.
No, you got
Now, Cars is so good. You haven't seen the full picture here. You haven't seen how Orville McQueen is, bro.
we're full of queens.
And Doc Hudson, bro. Doc Hudson is my goat. Cars is so good. Ooh.
Bang.
Like,
Chocolate ice cream.
have you ever had the dark chocolate? Have you ever had the jar?
Objectively the best flavor. That's not even a question. But like
Whatchamacallit?
ice cream
Is
flavor.
Boo Batter ice cream.
Batter ice cream.
It's special.
Oh my god.
Is.
Yeah, this is a really good bit.
It's called cake batter batter. It's called.
Bro.
It's just more batter. So in theory, wouldn't
Boo Batter Batter be better batter? Have more batter than Boo Batter Batter.
Or vanilla would be the best ice cream though. By that logic.
vanilla. Like
Yeah, it's
gorilla,
like cake
gorilla,
batter.
gorilla. The scientific name of vanilla is vanilla. And the scientific name of a gorilla
What?
is gorilla.
Where are you pulling this from?
You do know that, right?
For what? The scientific name for gorilla.
Yeah. What? Gorilla 30 times. So I was studying northern hairy-nosed wombats.
Yeah.
What? During my math test, like Miss Elliott makes us close every single tab,
Oh,
and
I hate her.
in a different, I don't know what it's called, different tab group. Is that what it's called?
Oh, that window?
Yeah, in a different window. I had my northern hairy-nosed wombat research, right? And
oh shit, it's not that big.
laser anus graffiti.
That's pretty fun.
So I had to write laser anus, and I had to write it in all caps. Laser.
Bruh.
Because that's how it's supposed to, laser anus.
Yeah.
You know, they're vital. They eat rocks. They eat rocks. Because there's not enough grass in the Australian outback. But they're vegetarians. They're strict vegetarians. So they're
I
like
think
me.
a rock is a vegetable.